Hey coaches, Andre here with VDOT, and I want to quickly show you a really cool new feature that we just released, which is custom paces. And I'm already on the screen to add my new custom pace, and I'm going to show you how it works. So say you don't want to use a specific threshold or interval pace. You can modify these custom paces by going into custom on the web in your coaching dashboard. You can click add custom pace. I already have one in here, which is 15K race pace, which would be available for me to add in a quality session now. So say I wanted to also add 5K race pace. I can name it whatever I want, but I'll use 5K. I can put in the distance. So I would put in, and it's distance by race distance. So 5 kilometer would be there. I can put in 5.2. I can really put in any race distance at all, but for now I'll just keep in 5K race pace. And you see that I've named it 5K race pace. And I can also add custom paces based on effort. So as an example, threshold is 88% of max VDOT. So if I put in, say I want to do something a little faster than threshold, I can put it, say, sub threshold, and I'd put in effort, and say I want it to be 90%. And you see here that it says, an example, VDOT 644. So my VDOT as a coach is set to 50, and any VDOT that I have established for myself will be the example that you see here. So if you have a specific athlete that you want to create custom paces for, you can just put in their VDOT for yours, and it'll show you the example of that VDOT there. So I can then add that custom pace, and then I can go into an athlete's training calendar, and those paces will now be available for me to use for that athlete. So for example, 5K pace, it shows up, and I can add recovery, and it works just like any other pace would in VDOT. I hope you enjoy this feature and are continuing to enjoy using VDOT 02.